So what we have here is a ME Brivis gas heater. So this is gas heating only. This is the older style that was made during the 2000s. In this situation, this was called a low module. When we are trying, so this originally had a networker controller installed. So we've changed the thermostat on the wall and removed the networker. And to upgrade to the Wi-Fi thermostat from Infinite Automation, we've needed to put in the Brivis 529 analog interface, which allows us to get the ability to work with voltage switching controls. So in this application now, we've gone through and we've wired in our Infinite Automation HVAC controller module. As you can see here, we've wired in our C wire to our blue, and then our brown goes to R, which is for a 24 volt circuit. And then we have our relays. In this example, we're wiring in for fan and heating. So relay A wires into our W connection, and the fan is our relay C that wire is wired into G. And then from there, our sensor input that comes from the thermostat. So that there originally was the original NR6 network controller originally wired into the low module. We've now switched that across to wire into our sensor input on our black looming. Follow the wiring diagrams and the sequence of the location of the cables to make sure you get the right connection points. So once we've got all the wiring correct, we've turned it all on, and now there's two different status lights on the Infinite Automation HVAC module. The green light being solid means it's now connected and online with Wi-Fi. If it's flashing 50-50, that means that you have not connected or is not online. Then we're waiting for a connection. Now that could be one of two things: whether you've got connection, you haven't yet to be setting it up, or you've lost Wi-Fi connection altogether. When you first turn on the HVAC module, you may find this light go green. Just allow roughly around 30 to 60 seconds for that to think about things, make sure of its connections, and then then from there you go through and do the setup procedure as per the manual.